Hey everyone, it's Ashley here with PolarByte, coming at you from across the Great White North. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a crypto update relevant for Canadians. Got your maple syrup ready? Let's jump right into it.
You know, right now, the entire crypto world is basically holding its breath. There's a huge Ethereum upgrade on the horizon that could seriously shake up the market. But to really get why it's such a big deal, we first have to talk about the crazy, volatile world it's about to drop into, a world that just got rocked by a massive market crash. And, you know, that backdrop? It's classic crypto volatility, through and through. Just a little while ago, the market got hit with this sudden shock that just vaporized hundreds of millions of dollars in an instant. It was a pretty stark reminder of just how high stakes this game really is. Get this number in your head, $646 million. Now I know, in the grand scheme of the multi-trillion-dollar crypto market, that might not sound like a world-ending figure, but it's not really about the amount. It's how that money disappeared that tells you everything you need to know about where the market's at right now. So what was that money? Well, that entire amount was tied up in what are called leveraged long positions. In simple terms, these were bets made with borrowed money that the market was gonna go up. But when the market took a nosedive instead, boom, those positions got liquidated, forcibly closed out. It was like a domino effect across all the major exchanges. A really brutal lesson in the dangers of trading with too much leverage. So what's the takeaway here? What are we supposed to learn from this? Well, first off, it tells us the system was way too over-leveraged and was probably due for a reality check. Second, volatility is back, big time. But here's the interesting part. For folks who are in it for the long haul, these painful drops, they aren't just bad news. They can actually be seen as potential buying opportunities. All right, so it's right in the middle of all this chaos, this big market reset, that our main story really kicks off. While a lot of people are still trying to make sense of the recent volatility, the Ethereum community is looking forward to one single event that could completely flip the script. And where does that leave Ethereum? Well, as of right now, it's holding pretty steady right around that $3,000 mark. It's found its footing again after that dip, which is building a really important support level as we head into this massive network event. And that event, the one everyone's watching, is called the Fusaka upgrade. It's slated for early December, and let me tell you, this isn't just some minor software patch. It's being hyped up as a truly pivotal moment for the entire Ethereum ecosystem. So let's get into it. Let's pull back the curtain and take a look at what's actually happening under the hood. What does this upgrade really do, and why on earth does it have so many people so excited? Right. So what exactly is this Fusaka upgrade? Is it just a bunch of complicated technical stuff, or is there something more to it? Honestly, the best way to think about Fusaka is like a major engine tune-up for a high-performance car. It's not about adding flashy new paint or spoilers that you can see. It's all about strengthening the core mechanics to make the whole thing run smoother, faster, and just way more efficiently. So what's this tune-up actually doing under the hood? Well, it's focusing on some really key areas. It's designed to dramatically boost scalability so it can handle way more users. It increases the data capacity for things called Layer 2 solutions, which are basically protocols built on top of Ethereum to speed things up. And the big goal here, the one everyone cares about, is to lower those notoriously high transaction fees, all while keeping the network secure and decentralized. Okay, cool. So the tech is getting better, but so what? Why should you or I actually care? Let's connect these technical improvements to the real-world impact, what it means for users and, of course, for investors. Here it is. This is the potential chain reaction that has everyone so excited. It's a pretty simple three-step idea. Step 1, the Fusaka upgrade works, and the network gets a serious performance boost. Step 2, a faster, cheaper network starts attracting a ton more users, more DeFi projects, more NFT action. You get the idea. And then, step 3, all that new activity creates more demand for ETH, the network's native currency, which, in theory, could drive its price way up. So if that chain reaction plays out, some analysts are looking at a potential price bounce. With support holding strong around $3,000, the next levels people are watching could be somewhere in that $3,200 to $3,400 range. But hey, let's be real. These are just potential targets, not promises. All right, let's bring this back down to earth. how does all of this translate into an actual investment outlook? Because with any huge opportunity like this, you have got to weigh the potential upside against the very real risks.
Look, no upgrade is ever a sure thing, right? There's always a chance of new bugs popping up or the network getting stressed in unexpected ways. Plus, the bigger economic picture is still pretty shaky. And, as we saw at the very beginning, the crypto market is and always will be incredibly wild and unpredictable.
So given all that, how might someone approach this from a portfolio point of view? Well, according to our source material, one popular strategy is to think of Bitcoin as the stable, core foundation of your portfolio. It's got the dominance, the liquidity, and then you frame Ethereum as your growth play. Its potential upside is directly linked to the success of upgrades like Fusaka and its future as the backbone for all these decentralized apps.
And you know, this quote from Ash at PolarByte just nails it. It really sums up the whole idea. The strategy would be to have a pretty strong allocation to Ethereum, specifically with an eye on the Fusaka upgrade as that key near-term catalyst for growth.
And at the end of the day, that's what it all comes down to. It leaves us with this one big, fascinating question. The engine is getting a major tune-up. So is the Fusaka upgrade the key that's finally going to start Ethereum's next big bull run? Well, only time will tell, but it is for sure the one event everyone in crypto is going to be watching.
For my fellow Canadians watching, keep in mind your local regulations, tax rules, and how you manage funds if you're buying or holding through an exchange. If this resonates, smash that like button. Helps the channel grow, eh? And check the description below. I've dropped affiliate exchange links for easy access. You'll find major exchanges and platforms there. If you've got questions, beginners or experienced, hop into our Telegram group, PolarByte Discussion, or just follow our Telegram channel, PolarByte, for real-time updates. Links are right there in the description. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. I'm Ash, and together we'll keep watching the charts, the upgrades, and what's next for crypto in Canada. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.